please make sure yung ating cream line mo ng mga ice cube or ng box. Yung naitapon po natin sa tamang lalagyan. And please make sure that po natin maghulog sa ating fireworks. Because right after the opening ceremonies, we will immediately have our match number 1 for volleyball secondary girls. Then for secondary boys and boys and girls, you will have your match number 1 at 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Okay. Thank you so much. And of course, I would like to request, ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan po natin our cream line. Girls National.
May this week be...
ang pinakapangga na region. Region 9, Zamboanga. Parang nahihiya yung Region 9.